giving a lot of opportunities. There'll be designers working out of their houses and offering designs for different brands. So this is an opportunity to connect such talent also. It is a range which can be inspired by ramp fashion but also make it wearable. So that's where. Wow.
So Mumbai has definitely responded in a huge manner and has added to the show.
Did they live in Bombay or are they from Delhi?
But just to let you know,
Just like Bollywood.
But I can tell you, for the past 2 years, the winners have not been from the big cities.
Yes.
last year's winner was from Pune Fair.
Yeah.
Year before last was from Pearl from Delhi.
So
And
there was no Mumbai so far.
But the colleges that we did visit in the cities we went to Chandigarh, we went to Ahmedabad, we went to Delhi, we went to Bangalore, we went to Bombay, of course. We went to about 6 cities. We visited about 3 faculties in every city. So we visited in excess of 16 to 18 cities in person. That means making a presentation, talking to final year students, and once they got to know that we had these designers on board, that really freaked them out because they all want to intern with these designers. I was telling these designers, Nachiket, Varun and Priya, you'll have no idea what a following they have. And we've realized this time and again when we actually meet the students, how much in awe they are of all these senior designers. And that's a shame. Until and unless you go there, you won't get to actually see it. The Pulse, who our jury members are, they get really excited. They follow them. You all don't even know that, So, it's really great.
I think any theme just becomes a starting point. It's eventually what you do with that theme that defines good design or bad design. And like once you sort of looks at say the say widespread reach that say something like Max has, I'm sure when they create, they have to have a certain parameters that most people will like. I think the same way it works with the jury. There's certain parameters. Maybe somebody likes it 70%, somebody 80, somebody 90. But good design will automatically sort of differentiate itself on the basis of merit.
We are focused with students, but there are 1 or 2 awards already that exist where we have a sort of a Gen Next, correct? Sort of there are different awards that are already being done for people who are not graduating students but have been working for a few years in the industry or trying to get into the industry. That is already in process. But maybe we don't know about that or we can't talk about it because it's not as well done as Max.
But this tradition, see, here, if you look at what Max is all about, it is a platform. Even to the consumers, we say that you can wear fashion. Okay, we are enabling them. Like that, to the student fraternity, we want to launch careers. So with careers in mind, we are doing it. So if we just make it open to anybody, then it becomes a creativity exercise. We are not into creativity exercise. It is to have certain purpose. And purpose is to launch careers. So that's what we have focused on. And that's what the connection also happened well. So we want to stick to that.
Also, I would like to add, there are 4 designers on this panel. Each one of us has been to an institute or more than one institute in our, growth as a designer. And I think between all of us, we have at least 40 to 50 years of design experience behind us. I can safely say that being good at art is not enough to make you a designer. You need
It's like about being a good businessman doesn't make you a good president.
She was wondering if. There is no one fixed recipe. I mean, you just have to. Of course.
I think they're passionate about it. There's nothing really. Whatever it takes, they just do it.
Like Priya said,
Passion is the key word.
10 resumes every day, and we do the interesting ones, we call them. So that I think somebody who's talented will get into the industry one way or the other. But I do believe that the moment you're out of college and you want to start a business on your own is never a good idea. It's always important to get that experience, and you learn based on somebody else's experience. You learn from a corporate, a business, or a designer. And unless you go through that process, that experience that you gain, it's tough for you to do anything on
That experience also, I think, lets you discover what your strengths are and build on that, rather than trying to follow somebody else's example and saying, I want to follow this way to success. There's no one fixed way.
Because out of these 15 candidates who've done extremely well, there are going to be 3 who will walk away with prizes.
Sorry, that was twisted. That was the dark side of the twisted dark side. Someone ringtone. Anything else? Anybody else? So the finale. Now what happens is once we have our 15 finalists that we have right now, we will call them up tomorrow. Within 2 days, they will get their 20,000 rupees to start constructing the garments. We give each student 2 models, so it's a big show that we do. We don't have a pool of models or 15 models and we do a show. Each student gets the model measurements, they construct their garments as per that body type. And on the 23rd of March at Sophia College, because the TG is students, it's fashion, will be our finale. So Shifa will be in touch with you. Please do come for the finale. It's really exciting. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.